Today we're going to talk about a fire tube boiler. This is a fire tube boiler, and we're going to break this whole area here in two different sections. This boiler right here is going to heat up the water that goes into our buffer tank. The buffer tank, you can see that you have water coming in and water going back out into the boiler, so you have a loop right here. Inside here you have basically a coil that our heating water is coming into here through our coil and then in, and the temperature keeps raising until we get up to the temperature that we need. In turn, there's another coil on this side, or in the tank. The water will fill up inside here, and we're just doing heat transfer. So we'll talk about this area afterwards. So this area, you can see it has its own pump. We have different pressure gauges here so we know what's going on. And again, we have our safeties. The first safety here is our relief valve. If our pressure gets too high, this opens up and drops the water down to the ground. We also have an air separator right up here. We can open up the valve right here, and there's like a bicycle tire in here. You can push down, the air will seep out of here. So any air that's in this system will come out right here, and then we have the proper water in our system. Also, we have an expansion tank. We talked about the expansion. As water heats, our pressure goes up because the water is expanding. That is what this expansion tank is for. And right here, we have our water makeup. If we lose water to the system, we make up our water. Normally, these are set around 12 pounds of pressure. So that's our loop right here. We also have a flow switch telling us that the water is flowing. If the water is flowing, the boiler is able to fire up.